Hello, hello, how are you doing today? So I know I've been doing some different hauls for different places. I was near a Goodwill and was dropping off some donations. And this one was a completely different area that I haven't been to in a very long time. And as it turned out, they had quite a bit in terms of not as great on clothes, although I did get a couple of things. But in some respects, in terms of home organizing, they had some really good stuff. So I've been needing some more, like, clear plastic shoebox kind of things that I stack up and I have in my closet. Some of it's for shoe boxes, some of it's for things, other things. But so I got 2 sets of the simple white clear kind. These were $2.99 each. Then I got 2 of these turquoise kind that also $2.99 each, that were these little bins with the fitting lid so you can stack things up. So this is really, really good. Yeah, as you know, I have products I sell, and I often need things to help organize, and lots of cute things that I'd like to have on hand and help me organize. Okay, so Easter is just around the corner, and I often make gift baskets, gift sets that I sell with the products. And so these were also $1.99 each. One is pink and blue, deeper color, and this one is more pastel, in absolutely flawless condition. Very cute, lovely Easter basket. So I'm excited to put things together. I'll just go to Dollar Tree, get some of that pretty Easter grass and the plastic to wrap on top. Okay, I couldn't resist. I love a fanny pack. Fanny packs have made their way back in. People are doing it more like this or higher up or whatever. And this one had 2. I had a pink one back in the day, neon pink, but this one is cute because this is like more that Y2K with the iridescent and the shiny, and it has 1 pocket in the back and 2 pockets in the front, so it's like much more organized. And this is really cute. This is cute when I'm out walking and doing different stuff. I'm pretty excited about that. Nice stretchy belt handle on it, and good for going to museums in the spring and summer and even the fall, and walk around the neighborhood, even just running errands, random kind of thing. But even like having to go dancing somewhere, something fun, kind of cool, trendy. And this one was $3.99. Okay, so all right, so my husband was in really dire need of some dress shoes. And his dad gave him a gift certificate. Now, he has some foot issues. His dad gave him a gift certificate to a very expensive foot place, but he didn't see any shoes that he liked. And what we ended up doing was he was able to get these custom insoles to put in any kind of regular shoes that are now making him wearing regular shoes so much better. So, and that was with Comfort One. I'll tag them in the post, but you can if you go to the Comfort One stores, and I think they're a local chain in the DMV area. I know we went to the one in Frederick. There's one in DC, I think, maybe one in Bethesda, Maryland. I'm not sure, in my hometown, but I know there's a few in Virginia. But we live in Maryland, so the closest one to us was where we live was. We were close to the Frederick store. So anyway, the guy, the salesperson, looked at his foot, looked at the way he walked, looked at certain things. And so then he said, okay, these are the type of insoles that you need. So because of that, he's now able to buy regular shoes, and he needed a pair of black dress shoes. So these were $14.99, and he tried them on, and they fit perfectly. They were just excellent. And just really gorgeous. They were a little, it was obvious that somebody had stored them kind of bent like that on both. But once you wear them and put like a shoe tree in there, it's just let's see, what brand? Record? I don't know. But they had cushioning on the inside too. But he's going to put his insoles in them. but they fit perfectly. They're more comfortable than the men's dress shoes that he already has. There was really no wear and tear with the exception of that bend. And all you have, like I said, all you have to do is put a shoe tree in there. And also he, because of his foot issue, he already like has his own thing that, you know, kind of like, it just actually, these were kind of like, the way they were bent actually was better for his foot. So, so anyway, it's all good. You know, once they were on, they look pretty, you know, pretty new, and they looked really great. So that was great. So score, because shoes like this are like, you know, at least, what, $80, $90, $100. So, okay, so I got a binder. I'm starting to organize some things. I'm going to be doing some things old school. Sometimes you can't depend on technology. I have been keeping certain things in a little notebook kind of thing. I said, this to me, it'd be better if I got some dividers and some loose leaf, start doing things old school. That way I can naturally open it up, flip, oh, that's where that thing is that I need to look up. As opposed to worrying about, is that, you know, and these are things that when I'm at home, not the things that I need to take with me. So it doesn't matter if it's on my phone, doesn't matter if, and some of the important things I have in my notes on my phone. Okay, but there's a lot of things that I don't want to have on my computer because, as I've learned, sometimes it's better to be old school. Okay, so, all right. So this was, how much is this? $1.99. $1.99 for a binder. Okay, I'll tell you, sometimes Goodwill is the best place to get your office supplies. Now, I've talked about those caboodles, those bigger ones. This one was so cute. It was a mini, of course, couldn't resist the purple and the teal. And this lifts up here. Someone even had a little bag of rubber bands in here. But this is perfect for some of my smaller little things that I need to keep organized. I just need to clean up the mirror, clean up on the inside. Totally cute, perfect for on my little dresser or to keep with my other beauty items and my other caboodles. Okay, so I got that. All right, I also needed, that little thing, this little thing, $2.99, okay? Now, I've been needing one of these. My old one broke because I'm doing hole punches for different things for other loose leaf binders. And what's this? It's Tiffany. Okay. If you go online, I think they're like $8, $9, $10, and then you have the shipping because they're heavy. This is only $2.99. I had not been able to find one at the regular store, so okay. So I was like, you know what? I see it. It's here. You know. All right. $2.99. A gorgeous belt. Fabulous belt. Look at this. Stretchy. You put these two thin like this. Boom, 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 boom. How cute is this? For like with a simple plain dress like that plum dress I showed. Both of those plum dresses I've made videos about. Some of those white and black dresses. They'll be looking really cute. This will look good with pretty much anything. And dress up anything. And he'll wear some silver jewelry. But it's so cute. Okay? And it just, all you have to do, you don't even have to worry about a loop. You just attach it like that. This was also $2.99. Okay, now these I thought were really adorable. These are cute for like you just want to throw in your little jewelry at the end of the night, or I can also put products in this and make a little gift thing with this and sell it for spring, summer bundles, samples. Used to put, if I do a little get together, put samples on it for customers. It's just a perfect little thing, and I love it. It's my little, you can't really tell with this camera, with the lighting in here, but it's, oh, there you go. It's that iridescent finish that is so pretty that I really love, and it's pineapple, so it's really cute. So I might keep one, use one for business, or I may use both for business, I'm not sure, but okay. I have been wanting a big Asian fan. Some of these are so cheap that I not able to find one that holds up for last longer than like a week or so. And this one was only $2.99. Look at how gorgeous, okay? Gorgeous. This could be a wall hanging. I may put this in a certain space where I have a blank wall and I just don't have anything going on that wall. And, or I might just use it just to be, you know, dramatic or something, I don't know, but so gorgeous. This gorgeous fan. It's so pretty. You know, it's a very generic painting, but it's still, you can tell it was just very generic. It's not, I would have preferred had it been something that was a little more authentic, culturally wise, but you know what, still, it's so rare to find a big fan like this these days, and I just really, really love it. So, yeah. Sometimes you can find some gems. Sometimes you can find real gems, and sometimes you can find some things that are some real gems. Okay, so another household thing. Now I put these clothes in here, but I thought this is the cutest bowl, salad bowl. Oh, the fan was also $2.99. Okay, this was $2.99 as well. I love this. This is really cute. Goes with a lot of my summer things. I have a lot of these tiki tumblers. I have tiki tumblers. They make a nice salad bowl. Something that popcorn, chips, all those kinds of things when you're snacking, watching a movie. Too cute. I just thought it's a very, very, once again, very rare for me to find something in my taste. There's a million things that have cutesy bows, cutesy, cherries, bunnies. There's a lot of things, and a lot of women's tastes, or little flowers, but very, very rare. Okay, so also, same thing with the same beachy kind of trend. I love things that have that Florida kind of feel. This was, also just I think that was $2.99. Okay, so this was, I don't know, I have to see. I think it was $7.99. Look at this with the bling and the pink flamingos. I could wear it with jeans. I could wear it. This is just the cutest thing ever. This is so me. Okay, the glitter, the pink flamingos. This is me. This is where Patrick, my husband, says you look like an 80-year-old living in Florida. But I don't care, because this is like, there's a part of me. My mom's from Florida. My grandmother was from Florida. I would go visit family in Florida. There's a part of me that has that tropical, Florida resort kind of feel, vacation, all that. And then I saw this too. This is a cute little dress. I think this was like $8.99. And it's got little pineapples. Look at this. And it's bright pink, and it's a little t-shirt dress, and it comes it goes down about maybe like mid-calf or so. This is a cute little throw-on dress in the summer when it's hot, and I can always belt it. I can always belt it with this, some silver jewelry, and black flip-flops, and I've got an outfit to a barbecue, So that is it for my Goodwill haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoy my Goodwill finds, and let me know what some of your best finds have been when you go thrift shopping, okay? And I can't believe, sometimes once you go in and you cannot believe it. I cannot believe that I got all this organizer stuff. I'm really pumped, and I'm psyched to get certain things together. And some people will say, they hate organizing, it's no fun. But for me, it's really fun, and I get energized and I get excited. And then I'm still working on some of my other, things that I'm getting together. So anyway, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Thanks. Bye.